we are getting Pepper warmed up for the week. Pepper's a 749 S Ducati. Favorite thing is this right here. I like it when it covers the tire.